baby girl at the doctor's. They already weighed her and measured her. And 1 second. Where is it? Here it is. She is 23 inches long and 12 pounds, 2 ounces. Look at you, baby girl. You're so big. You're a little butterball, aren't you? Good girl. Yeah. Say hello, Daddy. Say hello. I don't know what's going on and I'm not happy. Okay, cheese. My little butterball. So we at the hospital, or at the doctor's.